Heal Zimbabwe. Trust has sharply condemned the High Court's decision to deny bail to more than 70 members of the Citizens' Coalition for Change, including their interim leader, Jameson Timber. These individuals were arrested for holding what authorities deemed an unauthorized gathering. But is this truly a matter of law, or is it political persecution? HZT argues that the right to bail is enshrined in Zimbabwe's constitution and supported by international human rights instruments. By denying bail, the High Court has not only questioned these rights but has also struck at the heart of justice itself. Heal Zimbabwe. Trust is calling for the immediate release of all detained activists. They urge every Zimbabwean to stand up, speak out, and demand justice. In these trying times, silence is not an option. Will you take a stand? Stay informed, stay engaged. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS.